Hey, what is going on, guys? So if you're like me, I don't even know a cabin air filter, which probably makes sense to have one. I didn't even know it was a thing until like a few months ago. So I went around and freaking grabbed one because I haven't changed mine since I got the truck in like 2018. Because I didn't know these things were, I didn't know you need to change them. But yeah, so I went ahead and went to O'Reilly's, picked one up. I'm gonna go ahead and change this guy out. I'm gonna show you how to do it real quick. All right, so what you gotta do is go ahead and pop out these torque bits down here for this bottom piece of this glove compartment. All right, y'all, so this thing right here, these little hexagons on it, there's these two levers right here, this guy, and then one over here as well. You just put your hand on it and pop it like that. Same thing for the other side. Just reach up in here with your fingers and just pop it off like that. And then once you pop that off, what that does is it releases this. Holy crap. Oh my gosh, that thing is disgusting. Yo. I wouldn't doubt it if this has never been replaced. Because the guy who had this truck before me was a contractor, and yeah. That's disgusting. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out real quick. Hold on. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna get a grip on it. Can I just pull it out with my fingers? There we go. Oh my gosh, this thing is gross. Dude, there's so much dust. I might need to get my freaking shop vac, dude, and vacuum this crap out. Dude, this is... Yeah, I'm gonna need to get my shop vac. Dude, there's like leaves and... Oh, hold on, y'all, hold on. Bro. Yo, I had to come in here to get my thumbnail. Bro. This was in my freaking truck, dude. Y'all just saw me pull this thing out. Bro. This was in my truck. Holy crap. I mean, like, that's, dude, after this video, go get another filter. Like yesterday. Like, dude, this is gross, dude. You're freaking breathing this, bro, like, I should be able to smell color after replacing with this thing. Holy crap. That is disgusting. All right, let's get this thing in there. Holy crap. I'm gonna stick y'all in here. Not only did it put all this nastiness in my truck now that I gotta vacuum out, but dude, look in there. Like, holy crap. Dude, that is disgusting. There's leaves and crap in there, dude. That is so gross. I'm about to get my air compressor and blow this out real quick. Holy crap. All right, y'all, make sure when you put this thing back in there, you put it just like this with the arrows down where the airflow is. So I'm gonna go ahead and stick it on in there, just like that. And boom, a brand new, nice and clean air filter. And dude, that was disgusting. Holy crap. That was so gross. Make sure you don't forget to put your honeycomb thing back on here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put it back here. There we go, that one's back on. Get that one on. All right, she snapped back on. Not going nowhere, good to go. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for this video. Like I said, real quick, short and simple, all easy. Yeah, that's like, dude, I promise you, this has never been replaced. Like, this is definitely came from the factory, 100%. Just look at that, like, all the dust and crap coming from that. I'm definitely breathing that crap in. No wonder I had so much allergies and whatever over the years. But yeah, I just went to O'Reilly's. I got the cheapest one they had. I mean, like I said, I don't know how much it was. I think it was like 15 bucks or something like that. I'll let you know here on the screen. But yeah, please go change that. You saw how easy it was. That took like 5 minutes. But yeah, go ahead and change this thing out. Oh, and also, it's also recommended to change these things out every 12 months, or it says 15,000 miles right here. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna start making sure I do that. I might just track it by mileage, but yeah, so at least once a year, minimum, replace that guy. You see that. All right, y'all, that's gonna do it for this video. As always, guys, like, subscribe, do whatever you wanna do, it's your choice. And thanks for watching, we'll see you next time. Also, something cool, replacing that air filter, like, dude, I don't even have the air on right now, and it feels like the AC's on just because, you know, the air is flowing through the vents, and it's like, it's nice, like, it's heavy too. And I had the air on last night just on like the notch 2, and it felt like it was wide open. So I definitely recommend replacing your cabin air filter if you think that your AC is like not pushing enough and it's kind of sluggish. So yeah,